In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive without affecting the files on your PC. This process is incredibly useful if you want to manage your cloud storage effectively while maintaining your important files on your local machine. Let's dive right into it. First, begin by opening the File Explorer on your computer. This is your primary gateway to accessing all files and drives on your PC. In most versions of Windows, you can easily find File Explorer by looking for the folder icon on your taskbar or searching for it in the Start menu. Once you're inside File Explorer, locate and navigate to the OneDrive section. You'll typically find it in the left panel where it displays all the folders and drives connected to your system. Clicking on OneDrive will show you a list of all the files and folders synced to your cloud account. Next, you'll need to select the specific files or folders you wish to manage. Use the Control key to select multiple files or simply click on a folder to highlight it. This is the point where you decide which files you want to keep solely on your PC. Now, it's time to move these selected files or folders from OneDrive to your local computer or laptop folders. To do this, drag the files from the OneDrive folder and drop them into a location on your computer outside of OneDrive. Alternatively, you can use the copy and paste commands to achieve the same result, ensuring that a local copy of the file exists on your device. After you've successfully moved the files to your PC, right-click the file in the OneDrive folder. This will open a context menu where one of the options will be Free Up Space. Go ahead and select this. What this does is remove the cloud copy of the file from your device's OneDrive cache without deleting it from the cloud itself. Once you've completed this step, you should head over to OneDrive Online. To access it, simply open your preferred web browser, navigate to the OneDrive website, and log into your account if required. This online version of OneDrive lets you manage your files stored in the cloud directly. Upon logging in, navigate to the My Files section. Here you'll find all your files stored in OneDrive. Now, select the files or folders you previously moved to your PC and are ready to delete from the cloud. After selecting them, click on the Delete option. This action will remove the files from your OneDrive storage, freeing up space without affecting the copies now stored locally on your machine. And that's it. You have successfully deleted files from your OneDrive while keeping them safe and sound on your PC. Remember, managing your cloud storage efficiently allows you to optimize your space and keeps your important files accessible at all times. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.